and I'm going to speak to you my most memorable experience of my life. Exercise is something that came across my mind as important for necessity in life. I am a person who doesn't fun with any sport or any competition, and what I wanted to do is to sleep. I remember my best memorable experience in my high school. We had our physical education or PE competition. During the competition, my classmate insisted that I would join them, so I tried. The first sport was jumping rope. It was very exhausting and painful test sport for me, but I can say that it was very frustrating because we got the second place. Another sport was high jump. At first, I was afraid to leap, but then I was surprised because I made it. Yes, I did it. Another sport was high jump. I was happy that day because I overcome my fears and able to make it. Having this kind of experience in my life was memorable to me. Without this kind of experience, I was not able to meet my new friends. And the most happy years I made was